Hello, Irina Lyamshina with you. In this video I will tell you about the basic technique that I used on the OneStroke technique. For the work we will use gouache paints, red and yellow. I describe in detail how to prepare the paint in my last video. You can watch it on my channel. That's why I will not dwell on this point in detail. I will also use number 24 flat synthetic brush for the painting. As you can see, I already have paint on my palette. I add yellow color on the one edge of the brush, and on the other edge of the brush I add red color. Two triangles turned out, yellow and red. They can overlap each other in the center. If you paint a strip now, then you will see a two-color brush stroke. The beauty of the OneStroke technique lies in the smooth gradient between the two shades. To get it, we just have to brush to the right and left along this strip. You can see how gradually the paint mixes up to create a nice gradient. When you have received a beautiful transition from one color to another on your brush, then you can proceed to the painting itself. The first thing to notice is the position of the brush. During painting, the brush is always held perpendicular to the surface. You start painting by placing the brush vertically, and all stroke also and upright. The simplest stroke is just a strip. We put the brush vertically, slightly press on it, and we get such a strip. Here is the simplest stroke that you get if you just lightly press on the brush and paint a line. The next stroke we can get is a smile stroke. It is sometimes called that. We put the brush vertically again. Remember, this is important. The vertical position of the brush will give you a nice smooth stroke edge. Press down on the brush slightly and paint in an arc. Release the pressure on the brush and raise it. The result is a stroke smile. Can be made right up. We put vertically, slightly press on the brush and lay under an arc. Notice how I hold the brush by the clip. I can turn it with my fingers. I can twist the brush, and we also need this twisting movement for the next stroke. Our stroke will look like a droplet. Again, we start from the vertical position. Press the brush, and now rotate the brush in my fingers, pressing lightly on it. Next, I release the pressure and let the hair straighten. A stroke is obtained that looks like a droplet. Again, place the brush vertically, press lightly and rotate the brush on your fingers. Our index finger twists the brush over the thumb. By gradually decreasing the pressure, you return the brush to an upright position. The harder you press on the brush, the larger the stroke will be. If I press the harder on the brush now, you will see how it flattened it out. I rotate the brush over my thumb with my index finger. Then I loosen up the pressure and we get such a stroke. With this brush stroke, petals are painted. We put a brush, press, we get half a petal. Loosen, press again and get the second half of the petal. Take a look. We put the brush vertically, press it, twist it slightly. When we release the pressure, and then we press again and bring it to the end. This is how we get petals. We can do 2, 3 or more movements. Take a look. 1, 2, 3. Here is a petal. Next stroke. It looks like the letter S. We put the brush vertically, move towards ourselves to the side, and then towards ourselves again. Again on ourselves to the side, slightly squeezing. Then we stop pressing on the brush, allowing the hair to return to an upright position, and then on ourselves. Depending on how hard you press on the brush, your stroke may be greasy. In this way you can paint small leaves. Using a new knowledge, we will paint a flower with leaves. Hope you find it interesting. You can support my channel and become sponsors. Then I can make more educational videos. See you, bye!